In this episode, we're in our Smart Start, October 7 to 12, 2019. We're at page 25, grade 6 section, Social Studies. Our topic is independence. Hi boys and girls, at the end of today's lesson, you will be able to define the concepts independence and Commonwealth nation. Compare the path to independence taken by Jamaica, Haiti, and Cuba. Compare how independence is commemorated in Jamaica and other countries. Explain the significance of Independence Day. Weigh the argument for and against being an independent nation. Draw conclusions about Jamaica's decision to pursue independence. Complete at least 4 of the activities at the 8 learning centers. Figure 1, we have the Jamaican flag, and figure 2, the British Union Jack. After years of being colonies of Britain, Jamaica and other colonies of the West Indies became overwhelmed by the dictates of the British. In fact, they wanted to make their own decisions. The British, being aware of the concerns of the people of the colonies, established all colonies under one political union, which was named the British West Indies Federation. This federation did not last long because the chief ministers of the colonies that formed the West Indies Federation were in disagreement with location, the chief minister selected to be the Prime Minister of the West Indies Federation. As a result, Chief Minister of Jamaica, Norman Manley, held a referendum in which Jamaicans voted against the colony continuing to hold membership in the Federation. Dr. Eric Williams, Chief Minister of Trinidad and Tobago, made the famous statement, 1 from 10 leaves naught. He then withdrew his country's membership from the West Indies Federation. Following these actions by 2 of the largest colonies, the West Indies Federation was dissolved. In light of this, preparation was put in place for Jamaica to work towards independent status. Chief Minister Norman Manley and opposition leader Alexander Bustamante and their teams wrote the Constitution of Jamaica and presented it to Queen Elizabeth. On August 6, 1962, independent status was granted to Jamaica. The Union Jack flag of Britain was lowered, and for the first time, the Jamaican black, green, and gold flag was hoisted. Jamaica, having gained its independence, is now a member of the British Commonwealth of Nations. These are countries that were once ruled by Britain, but have since maintained ties with Britain and have the Queen as the head of state. Unlike the leaders of Jamaica that dialogued with Britain for its independence, Haiti and Cuba pursued independence by actively participating in a revolution. Toussaint Louverture led a slave rebellion against the French colonists. However, he was eventually arrested in 1803 and tortured until he died. Napoleon Bonaparte, the French general, wanted to reintroduce slavery to Haiti, but this was diverted when Jean-Jacques Dessalines led a revolt against French rule. The British assisted the slaves in Haiti in securing a victory against the French, who later surrendered. In 1804, Dessalines assumed power, and Haiti became an independent nation. Like Haiti, Cuba fought for its independence from Spain because it was dissatisfied with a corrupt and inefficient Spanish administration, lack of political representation, and the high taxes. America intervened in the war between the Cubans and the Spanish, which led to the expulsion of the Spanish colonists. On May 20, 1902, Cuba gained independent status. Engage. The grade 6 students of Plumville Primary School disobeyed the lab rules and accessed YouTube videos without permission. However, after discussing and analyzing the situation, 3 of the students decided that this action would not be good for their school records. Therefore, they declared independence from the group. What does the phrase declare independence from the group mean? Explore. Access the internet and download videos highlighting the path taken by Cuba, Haiti, and Jamaica to independence. Explain the differences in the 3 videos. Extend. Discuss arguments for and against Jamaica being an independent nation, and draw conclusions about Jamaica's decision to pursue independence. Evaluate. Complete at least 4 activities at the 8 learning centers. Word link. Faye Ellington Center. Write a letter to a friend living in another country explaining how independence is celebrated in Jamaica. Point out the significance of commemorating independence annually. And one of the things that we could point to would be the Grand Gala. We spoke of this in class the other day. Self-link. Dr. Agri Irons Center. Make a journal entry expressing how you celebrate Independence Day on August 6, 2019. Some people stayed at home. Some people went to the country. Some people went to the beach. Some people stayed home for the morning part of the day, got themselves ready, then they went to Grand Gala. Music link, the Jimmy Cliff Center. Download independence songs and share them with your classmates. These may include Independent Jamaica by Lord Creator and Forward March by Derek Elliott. Picture link, Edna Manley Center. Draw a picture of the Jamaican flag. So take the time now and review this information. Heroes Day is coming up shortly, and all of this would be relevant towards why we gained independence, how we gained independence, and some of our heroes were in fact related to the move towards independence. So we'll see you in the next episode.